sometimes. Hey, you know what I do when I'm angry? Sometimes I do the ha breath.
Huh? What's the ha breath?
It calms me down and it goes like this. You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody stand up.
Okay.
Feet firmly on the ground. And take a nice breath in and tap the back of your neck with your hands. And then tap above your knees with a ha sound. Okay, let's give it another go.
Yeah, let's do it again.
Take a nice breath in. Yeah, that's it. Ha. Oh, well done. Let's go again. Ha. Feels good, doesn't it? Ha.
Oh, I'm feeling so much more relaxed. How about you guys?
We feel way better. Yeah.
That was really cool, Belly. Thanks for that. I definitely don't feel as angry as I did. I feel much calmer.
Hi, everybody. My name's Bellie.
And I'm Whizz.
And we love being visited by our friends here in the woods. They help us with our feelings.
Yeah. So tune in to Minding Me with Belly and Whizz.
On RTÉ Jr.
And the RTÉ Player.